In the exciting hemp industry, you are constantly making choices. From the genetics of the seed you purchase to the cultivators you hire to care for your crops, you put a lot of thought and care into your business. And once all the work is done in the field, it's time to turn your harvest and months of hard work into a final product and monetize it. Who you choose to process your crop is one of the most crucial choices you'll make. At Lilu's Garden, we offer industrial scale processing in our new 85,000 square foot state-of-the-art processing facility located in Denver, Colorado. Lilu's facility is unlike any other in the hemp industry due in part to its size, location, and sheer magnitude of its production scale. You will undeniably experience the Lilu's difference the moment your crop arrives at our facility. And it all starts here at our receiving dock, where your products will go through our intake process. While in the process, all products are quarantined to ensure the highest of quality control standards. Products are then inspected by our in-house staff and laboratory personnel for weight, cannabinoid potency, microbials, mold content, heavy metals, and then it's logged into our software system. Once your material is cleared for processing, you will be able to log into your user portal and track your product all the way through the production line to its completion. This means you will always know what stage of the process your material is in with Lilu's Garden's unique tracking system.
Once your product passes our thorough inspection, it then moves to our inline stage. Our industrial scale inline storage facility can house up to 2.7 million pounds of biomass. It is secured and isolated away from any outside influence, climate and pest controlled, and kept under tight security to keep your material safe while it's being staged for processing.
Our industrial scale processing facility has the ability to process up to 10,000 pounds of biomass per hour, or 240,000 pounds per day, the rough equivalent of a 150-acre farm per day. This is by far the largest and most advanced hemp derivatives production facility in North America. Processing with Lilu's Garden guarantees you the fastest turnaround time in the nation for your material. At Lilu's Garden, we have the capabilities to process your crop into full-spectrum crude oil, distillate, full-spectrum 0% THC oil, isolated CBD, water-soluble full-spectrum oil, and water-soluble isolated CBD. After processing, each batch of finished product is tested by our in-house lab and verified through third-party testing. Lilu's Garden guarantees each product will meet the highest levels of industry standards, which ensures that your months of hard work can be converted into profits in the marketplace. And speaking of marketplaces, Lilu's Garden has gone further than any processing facility to date. Lilu's Garden is cost-conscious and has flexible plans to assist you in your efforts. Lilu's offers payment plans, financing, and trade scenarios, which can ensure your ability to accomplish your goal and get your product to market. Exclusively available to Lilu's customers on Lilu's produced products is our Disposition Options. Customers are able to leverage Lilu's Garden's buyer database of almost 40,000 customers, our sales force, and disposition ability, including our newly launched online auction for your unsold processed materials. This is not an exchange or brokerage. We only auction materials we process and test. This helps you solve one of the biggest industry problems to date: monetizing your crop by sourcing and connecting qualified buyers with finished product. At Lilu's Garden, we have worked tirelessly to create an all-in-one solution. From the moment your raw material has been harvested until you're ready to sell, we will treat your biomass as if it was our own and help see you through to a successful conclusion.